right now. Hold up 1 minute. I've done what I had to do. I picked my daughter up. Everything went good. Now I'm finna go see if I can put an eye out on this charger. Man, I'm hoping they ain't started on the suspension work yet, but they had all day, so I'm sure they have. But I hope I just get a mustard seed, as they say in the book, in the good book, a mustard seed of film. You know what I'm saying? But I'm headed out that way right now. I'm in the I don't know, in Cayenne. You know what I'm saying? Make sure y'all get a good look at me, man. What y'all thinking, man? Woo! Hey, man, I'm living my best life, man. I just seen an article, man, that talking about some what the Denver Broncos need is a big black man who used to be named 78. Well, you know what? I'll pass. You know what I'm saying? Because I like to do this. And I ain't even got it. Look, I got it in comfort mode. I ain't even got it in sport. I don't even got it in sport. Bye-bye. You know what I'm saying? And I'm just chilling. Let me live my life, man. I got a good plan. You know what I'm saying? I got some good things going on in my life, man, and I'm a free man. That's a free master. Master ain't gonna find me in the cotton field, is it? I'm just gonna lay here under this sycamore tree. No more. Man, let me live, man. Let me live. But in the meantime, between time, I got y'all and y'all got me. And we loving on each other. Give me a hug. That feel good, don't it? Yeah. But anyway, I'm gonna get back to y'all, man. When I pull up to the shop, man, get out and let's do this, baby. Let's get this film. Let's get this thing going, man. Let's enjoy this ride, man. Y'all with me? Y'all helping me build this, man. And we gonna swing this to baby bruh. You know what I'm saying? Just another tour in the shed for him. You know what I'm saying? But for me, it's another tour out of the shed for me. Now I get to work on my, what is that? 2019 California Special. What the fuck is that? GT Premium Mustang. It only had, what, 20 miles on it? And I'm not even a guy who buy brand new cars. That ain't my style. Everything I like my car a little used. You know what I'm saying? Just like I like my women, you know, just a little bit. You know what I'm saying? Don't hold me to that, man. But you get the gist of what I'm talking about. Nobody wants to deal with a virgin, man. You know what I'm saying? Oh my God, do I really gotta do this? Yeah, you gotta do. I mean, open your legs up. Oh my God, do all that gotta go in there? Yeah, it gotta go in there. Let me slow down. I'm tripping. But anyway, stay tuned, family. Ride with me, and let's see what happens. You dig? Y'all ready? City line.
Oh, hey.
What's happening, my brother?
How you doing?
I see y'all out there, but y'all playing golf out there?
Yeah, we're taking a little break.
What y'all looking at?
We're working hard today.
Oh yeah, can I see what's going on out there?
Yeah.
Jeremy Parnell, how you doing? Oh yeah? Is these right here?
Yeah, bunch of them.
As long as they don't
I'm excited. Yeah. That's what happens when you hand your car to family, man. They treat you like a lemon. What y'all doing back here? Y'all got a little mess going on? How you doing? Jeremy Parnell, nice to meet you.
Yes, nice to meet you.
I seen y'all hitting the balls back here. Who winning?
Nobody.
Yeah, we're terrible.
Yeah.
But we have fun.
See that. I'm gonna tell you my background in a second. Let me get this camera on the what's name.
89eyes or LASIKsurgery.com.
Don't miss our 2019 iHeartRadio Music Festival. More than 20 artists, 2 nights, 1 stage. Alicia Keys, The Backstreet Boys, Cage the Elephant, Mila Cabello, Chance the Rapper, Def Leppard, French Montana, Halsey, Hart, Her, Hootie and the Blowfish, Marshmello, Kane Brown, Miley Cyrus, Mumford & Sons,
All suspension will be tight.
Are these good or?
Oh yeah.
I don't use cheap parts.
I don't use anything from like AutoZone or O'Reilly's or anything like that. It's got to be from my vendors. Most of the stuff we get is OEM parts straight from the manufacturer that makes them for Dodge or makes them for Honda. I'm able to skip the middleman.
Yeah.
So I don't get that Dodge logo on my box.
Uh-huh.
It's the same part.
Yeah.
So that's who makes them for them.
That's awesome, man. That is
Saves
awesome.
you money, saves us money. You know. We're not the regular shop, man. We appreciate you and all this, but we ain't out to make $1 million off every car. We're out to build relationships just like you, man. I'd rather have lifelong customers than see you once and never see you again.
Hey,
you know what I mean?
I like the way you think, cause that's the same way I think. I say, you know, people get wind of what I used to do, and they try to like fuck me. You know what I'm saying? I'm a smart guy. I'm a smart guy as well. I know what it is, cause I always do my research on shit before I even do something. And if they do that, they'll never see me again. And that's a lot of money that'll be, you know what I'm saying, off one relationship. You know what I'm saying? But boy, it's gonna be an awesome video. So
leaking everywhere. Valve covers are leaking on both sides. The rear main seal where the engine and transmission come together, it's dripping out of there.
it's crazy.
Do the oil pan, obviously fix up your suspension. It'll be straight after this.
So, you got the rest of the cars coming with suspension stuff. Comes one arm, probably do this stuff first. Do what you do.
Yeah, we're gonna end up using all whatever's over by that door we're gonna use.
You're like a doctor sometimes.
Hey, you look like one right now. A dentist, more like a dentist. Yeah, removing braces.
I want Chris work on my car.
Yeah. I'm filming right now.
Yeah, I got it.
Yeah, bring your sex ass on.
It's in wireless?
Yeah.
Okay.
All right.
Oh, yeah,
Man, let's bring this car back to life. When I first got this car, shout out to Kendrick Clancy for blessing me with this opportunity when I was on practice squad rookie. I paid 10 grand for this car, man. Let's bring this thing back to where it needs to be. Everything, the suspension, the paint job, the engine, the interior. This motherfucker gonna be sexy as hell when I get done with it. And I'm gonna bless my brother with it, as everybody know already. But stay tuned, man. Ride with your boy, fuck with your boy, and enjoy the motherfucking ride.
Rocky on the track.
Yeah, nigga looking like they do now. Yeah, I got them bitches, I got them hoes now. The jury on me dripping, got me froze down. A nigga done shot out, but they don't know how. Yeah, nigga looking like they do now. Yeah, I got them bitches, I got them hoes now. The jury on me dripping, got me froze down. Yeah, a nigga done shot out, but they don't know how. Pop my shit, cause I don't give a fuck how niggas feel. Flip the charger on my niggas, time to flip the grill. I ice my wrist, I ice my fist, and put it ice like Kia. The baby choosing up the rip, she tryna make a deal. I just flew in from New York, I'm about to cop a Porsche. Yeah, chasing money since it's short, I jumped up off the porch. I got bitches in Atlanta, try to race some phantoms. I'm gon' fuck her with no manners, let me drop this hammer. I heard your nigga on that ice, I heard he smoking spice. I heard that nigga lost his life, they only make it just to get me high. I'm gon' pull up in your city, acting all sedated. She gon' turn into a freak, I nut all on her titties. Better know I keep this in me, yeah, it's always with me. No matter how they wanna go to you, not fucking with me. Let's go. That nigga looking like they do now. They still got them bitches, got them hoes now. The jury on me dripping, got me froze down. A nigga done shot out, but they don't know how. That nigga looking like they do now. They still got them bitches, got them hoes now. The jury on me dripping, got me froze down. A nigga done shot out, but they don't know how.
Yeah, man. This is my dog, Chris. He gets everything right and everything tight. If you need any help with your automobile, come shout at my dog, Wes and Chris at City Line Automotive. They're going to get you right all damn day long. Come check out my dogs. Yeah, niggas. Or gentlemen, ladies and gentlemen, I present to you my new project. Y'all see it, California edition. A little dirty right now. Pretty soon coming to the channel near you. I'm gonna make you strong. They already know what it is. It's a beautiful car. It's a beautiful car.
Yeah, I already changed that. Guess we're giving away my secrets now.
Oh yeah, I appreciate it. I ain't gonna keep it. He said he was a doctor. I call him a dentist.
Surgical.
That's the same thing they'll be using.
Yeah.
Acting a donkey.
She heard I bought 5. Got grow houses up and down through Pembroke Pine. Say the streets tough, I say it's about time. Been on harbor on my mama, been about mine. Still pay my child support and all trap money. All 5 and 10s, can't touch my rap money. She won't fuck with me, I'm hating. Yeah, pussy stank. Meet your amigo mama, then you crack the piggy bank. Dope boy dream, never lose it all. Montgomery, Alabama.
Me and my brother acting bad. I don't know if y'all can see him behind me. Can y'all see that? Oh, look at that shit, man. It be like that sometimes. Stay tuned.
Down the coolie, goddamn it. Got it on. I'll be in the crowd with him. If I'm sweating, you too hard. Make a paper towel with him. Wipe the loose clouds with him. Leave him in the trash can.
Oh shit. Let me get my mind right for this business meeting. Me and my brother been running the fuck out of these cars on this fucking 121. But don't tell nobody. I know y'all with me. A little bit of music going. I know, right? I know. You probably mad looking at me like, God damn. Like, yeah, I know. I got it all the way out in the street. You probably hate me. It be like that sometimes. We'll see, man. Stay tuned.
Your front tire
is wide as your back tire?
Your front tire on the Benz is wide as the back tire on the Mustang.
So I'm trying to figure out, like, how do you do that? How do you fix that?
It's a set of wheels.
It's a set of wheels?
Yeah, you can fit bigger wheels. Like, if you look at the back of his shit, the tire that's on the back of that motherfucker right there, probably about the size of that Z06. Just as wide.
God damn, look at the setup on that, on the backside. I want concave rim, dog.
That's the Boston joints, the best joints to get. They lightweight.
Yeah.
You get the lightweight and the performance out of it. But his shit is just as wide as your shit on there.
Hey man, at the meeting with Big Red over here, man. Check him out, man. His work looking good right now, man. Look at this shit. Look at this. Ooh. Ooh, PJ, come look at this. Look at this.
Yeah, you're looking ready to see that darkness. How it is.
Man. T-shirt number 2, this right here is what I'm gonna lift weights in, you know what I'm saying? The merch coming to the channel soon, real soon. Golly, man.
And what I fuck with this one, I put a white background under it,
yeah,
black over it. So the next one I might just go straight black.
Okay.
So, because that white, you see that white
showing
through,
yeah.
through. But in order for it to be glossy, you gotta put that white background under it. But what I can do is I can go over with another coat of black. To, like I said, that's just my stuff. You just said you wanted something, so.
Yeah, cause I've been putting these videos out. Oh boy.
You have no idea.
Look at the merch, guys. Coming to the channel soon, man. Look at the merch. That motherfucker clean, man. I appreciate that. Look at that shit together.
They a little fitted. Yeah, because I don't think you're going to be sort of like
I don't want that like that. I don't mind it being fitted.
For quality. But like I told your brother, just because I know you got money, I'm not trying to get over on
That's the thing.
I'm not trying to get over on it.
And when you're paying for quality, I feel like you really shouldn't spend no expense.
$1.25 more, you could take that 17 and $25 a shirt.
Right.
You're gonna make that.
When I bring mine back to the city, you have to pay. I need $25. So you don't have to buy it.
And a lot of people do shirts, and I know a lot of people in the business, but I stick to my guns. I'm gonna put this on this is my slogan right here.
Don't give yourself a plug. Name the company.
Hey man, Lab 214 Custom Tees. If you need tees, Lab 214 Custom Designs. We'll do your logos, designs, whatever you need, man. Come fuck with your boy.
Hey, you got my shit right. Y'all stay tuned now.
It ain't cheap. That's a 20 piece on the neck.
I got something special for y'all tonight. My partner Big Red, he brought his Corvette out. We're gonna take pictures for some video with the Corvette in this under the lights in the parking lot. So I hope y'all enjoy this. I've been up all day, man. So after we do this, I'm gonna take my ass home. I ain't gonna edit no videos tonight. I'm gonna take my ass to sleep. So y'all stay tuned for these pictures and this video. I hope y'all enjoy this. And I'll see y'all tomorrow.
to that parking garage?
Yeah.
That hoe's so hard.
Y'all park in the back?
Yeah. Sheesh. 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 Man. I'm the only one out here who ain't got automatic start, you know what I'm saying? I guess my car ain't upgraded enough. PJ stunned on me. Oh no, y'all can see that motherfucker. PJ stunned on me, man.
I ain't doing nothing. I ain't doing too much. What'd you get the feeling on that bitch though, Jay? You get the feeling on that thing. That's gonna be your favorite.
We're gonna put you in the middle, PJ. I'm gonna be on the left-hand side. I'm gonna put him on the right.
See that blue on that motherfucker, Camaro?
Ooh, that bitch clean.
That bitch so clean.
That's clean as fuck, boy. How you do that? How you do that? You just put your feet on the gas and the brake and do that shit?
You gotta take the traction control off.
Oh, that's what it is. Okay. Sheesh. Let me get out of it, PJ. That shit clean as fuck, PJ. Ooh, sheesh. He got the keys in his pocket, PJ. Hold up.
That motherfucker wheel cut off.
Oh, yeah. That sounds good in this motherfucker, man. Yeah. PJ, he said you can hit a cone in it.
I thought you was gonna take it out.
He said you can hit a cone in it. Just drop it around the thing and outside and come on back.
Yeah, with the police though.
It sounds good. That stop. It sounds good.